Let's have dinner, guys. Dinner. Hello guys, we're going to have this for dinner. Ayan na, may meatballs, spare ribs, and the meat. Here Jack is waiting. It's rainy Monday. And then Jack having ginger ale. May I see your drinks, Jack? Me and Daddy having tonic. Guys are having party here in the bungalow, so it's quite noisy. I'm sorry. We just concentrate to our food. And it is Jack's bowl. Still have a lot. My bowl. Daddy's bowl. Let's have dinner, guys. This is the leftover. Jack finished them all. 1 can of ginger ale and 1 big glass of fresh orange juice. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye!